I'm back and I'm going to be showing you this company. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I think it's Joytii, Joytii. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This box, I'm going to mostly be showing this box, but this one is a bunch of gel polishes and it's 20 colors plus there's a top coat, a regular top coat, a base coat, and a matte top coat. And I already have these all swatched out so that there's, you know, I don't take that much time for that. But this is the full kit, which I wanted to show you. It comes with a lamp and everything. So here is the plug. And here is a little baggie of these cuticle pushers, some nail clippers, toe separators, a brush, cuticle oil. I believe that's a cuticle remover. Looks like a file and a buffer, a scrub brush. Nice little kit. Here is the lamp itself. I believe it's an 80-watt lamp. It's got a, is it removed? Yep, it's removable. It's kind of hard though. As you can see, it's got some sensors right here, so that's always nice. It's pink inside. I think that's really cute. Looks like 30, 60, and 120 seconds. And then, of course, your instructions, which is always good to have. And the gel polishes that it comes with, because this kit comes with its own polishes. And I will be swatching these ones on here for you, and I'll be using their lamp to swatch them. And let's see, it looks like 6 polishes, a top coat, and I'm assuming, yes, a base coat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move everything. Oh, instructions for the gel polishes. I'm going to go ahead and move everything, and I'm going to get the lamp plugged in and all that, and then get started on swatching them and see how well it cures and how these polishes look. Okay guys, so I've got some clear swatching sticks. And I'm just going to go ahead, and this cord is really long. It's a very, very long cord, which is nice. Plugs in right here in the back. So you can see it lights up. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. It's like a little, it's a divoted kind of button, and it's just touch activated. Really nice looking. Let's see here. I'll move that to the side. And we will get colors out. I'm not going to use the base coat, but I will use the top coat. That way we can see how shiny it is. And then after I swatch these, I will go ahead and show the other ones that I swatched, because I don't think these are the same colors. I think they're different colors. Okay, so let's get started. I don't believe they have names. They're just numbers. So this is B01. Let me zoom in. You guys can see. This is like a, it's like a purplish gray. Sorry if you hear tapping. That's my dog walking around. It's about to lay down. Okay, so that's the first coat of B01. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them, and then I will cure the first coat and then just come back in for the second coat. Oh, this one's very sheer. This is B02. It's like a milky white. This might be really, really good for like one of those milk bath nails. Very, very sheer looking. But this might work really well for that, which I've been wanting to try that. I just haven't, I don't know, had the courage to. You can barely see it, but it's still pretty clear. Okay, B03. Well, that's a very pretty color. It's like, it's kind of like a cloudy blue. It's coming off a lot more bluer on my camera than it is in person. Okay. On B04 is a very pretty corally pink. Yeah, I don't believe any of these colors come in that 20-pack kit, so there you go. I'll have pictures at the end too, so hopefully I can catch the correct color. This is B05. That's a very pretty color. Around, and finally B06. That's a very, very light color. It's coming off as white, like a off-whitish, but it's like a really light kind of pale pink. I'll try to get proper pictures because my camera is not doing the colors justice. Ooh, knocked one over. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cure these for, you know what? I'm gonna have to read how long you're supposed to cure them for, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so it does say on their pamphlet to cure it for 60 seconds until fully dried. So that's what I did. I cured for 60 seconds, and now I'm just gonna add the second coat, and then cure that for another 60 seconds. Let's see here. Seems to be pretty opaque. I actually really like it. It looks nice. I'm concerned about number 2 though, because it's like completely clear still. You can't even tell if I put anything in there. So let's see. See if this makes any bit of a difference. Made it a little bit more cloudy. Not by much though. That one's very, very sheer. You can see a little bit more like that. See how it's kind of cloudy? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do the second coat on the rest of these, and then I will be back to top coat and show you how that looks. Okay, so I see no issues with the gel polish curing. The lamp works really well. Like I said, this one is B02. It's like super, super sheer. It's a little bit cloudy now that I got 2 coats, and it could possibly work really well for a milk bath nail. Possibly. I'm not sure. So I'm going to set that one to the side because I don't know that that's going to show too much for the top coat or anything. And then, let's see. Okay, I will top coat B01. I'm going to top coat B01 because it's a darker color and I want to see how well it adds the shine. Oh, having a hard time grabbing this, sorry. It's a thin top coat. Doesn't have a strong smell either. Very, very thin top coat. Okay. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds as well. And this is actually a very nice lamp. I like it. It works pretty well. It's a big enough size for you to fit your entire hand in there. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that right there. They've got their email and their website printed inside. That's pretty cool. But it displays everything digitally. The design is pretty. I love that it's pink inside. The touch buttons work great. It's curing with no problem. See, it's that easy. I'm going to set that to the side, and I'm going to grab these and move them, because I'm going to use one of these to test the matte top coat from this kit. You know what? That needs to be moved. Okay. Okay, so like I said, you get I already pre-swatched these so that I could save some time. And we're starting off, these ones are H's. So H1 through 4. I will show these in their order. H1 through 4, and these are all 2 coats. That's 1 through 4, these ones. And then this is 5 through 8. You get a variety of colors from this kit. 5 through 8. 9 through 12. This green one is kind of sheer. Actually, all of these ones look like they're a little bit sheer, except the red. The red's not really that sheer. 9 through 12. This one's like a purplish. It's coming off a little bit darker on my camera. And then we got 13 through 16. See, the yellow one's a bit sheer, and this one is pretty transparent too. Okay, that is 13 through 16. And then we got 17 through 20, which 19 and 20 being white and black, and then 17 and 18 are silver and gold glitter, which are so much more sparklier in person. They're very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and find the matte top coat, this one, and I'm going to, well, here's the shine on the regular top coat. Looks very pretty. I don't know if it's, okay, I think it's a tackless top coat, so that's good to know. And then we are going to test out the matte. I'm going to test it on these two, just because I'm very curious to see how it works. Because some matte top coats are kind of streaky, so I'm very curious to see how well this one works. This one is a little bit thicker than the normal top coat, and it has a little bit more of a smell too. But it's not terrible. Okay. Just making sure to get it all over the color. And then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds as well, and we will see how well their matte top coat works. Okay, moment of truth. Here they are. Actually very pretty, and they don't have a sticky residue on top. They're completely matte. They're actually very, very pretty. No streaky lines. Looks very nice. Very impressed. So if you guys are interested in the, let's say, the kit or the gel polishes themselves, or even both, I will have the links in the description box. Let me see here. Okay, so the kit itself goes for $35.99 on Amazon, and then you can find their polishes, and that goes for $25.99. I will have both links in the description if you are interested. Just check out below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ooh, I pushed 60, see that? I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like the polishes. I usually do 2 coats when I do my colors, so majority of these are really great for 2 coats, which is awesome. I'll have pictures of all of the colors, including the boxed ones, so you can get a good look at them. You can pause the video or something and look at them, make sure it's what you want before you order them. But yeah, not a bad price, a lot of great stuff, beautiful colors. Thanks for watching. Bye.